Try to spin that once. Feels tight, don't it?
Okay.
That's what the noise is.
Hey guys, you got Pullerbear Ed and Twisted V Twin putting rotors, brakes, and hubs on this Dodge Ram of Mark's. So we figured we'd just video it and you can watch these too.
You ready over there yet? Huh? You ready over there yet? Pretty much.
I need to turn this hub.
Turn that. What the hell?
Quit monkeying around.
Fucking thing. No, I pushed one cylinder in, comes right back out on the other one.
Yeah, you gotta get in behind the brake pad.
I am in behind the brake pad.
You gotta get closer to the center of the brake pad.
Quit.
Amateurs. Amateurs. I'd have this side done if I could get this caliper mount off.
All right, go ahead. I'm good over there. Somebody took my impact.
You got new rotors?
Yes. Knew everything. What'd you do with my impact?
Right there.
No, that's not for the caliper bolts. Quit taking my stuff, Ed. Yeah, man. Are you done monkeying now?
Just about.
There's that one. Gotta turn more. Need a little strap. You hold. There's that. That brake. But I ain't going to fucking go. Okay. Those are
BFH.
free. Good.
The BFA.
BFH right on.
You did not use this.
BFH. Yeah, for the
What
center.
is it?
Yeah, where's the other socket?
For the mount.
Yes.
Right there.
All right, Ed. Got that one ready? Got a air hammer?
You gotta get the bolts out of the.
All right, gotta turn some more. Somebody on the brake caliper right in the way.
Wasn't me.
Yep. And there goes that one.
Somebody keeps turning the.
Yeah. Maybe this ain't a good idea. Both sides at once. Or maybe it is. Fuck.
Probably not.
Huh?
He said probably not.
Well, guess what? Too late. Because it's happening. Hey, quit turning that. Oh. And there's that. What'd you do with the jumper?
Right here.
I'm sure he's got a scrap pile here somewhere.
Yeah.
In my farm. Taking my tools again, what the heck? Will the little one do it? No, it will not.
Nope. Plus a teeth out this wobble extension.
That's for the rock plate. Ooh.
No, we ain't messing around here.
No, it's on there. Where's the fire? Fire. Lots of fire.
That's up out of the way.
Running a lot of great stuff.
How did I just do that socket? It's right there. Get that other hub ready. All right, there's that. Did you put any penetrating oil on those, Ed?
No.
You're gonna just rough it?
Yeah.
You're gonna dry. That's not good.
Separates the men from the boys.
That's rough.
Imagine somebody didn't have my light.
I don't have a light. Truck ain't my light, it's up in the... Hey guys, look. See this? Look. He's got to wear them gloves. Look.
That's right, I got delicate bear paws.
Oh, Lordy. You don't have a shorter extension? Or weevil?
Or we will, but I gotta push this back in. Socket on.
Four of them.
No.
Nope. You turn it?
Nah, hang on.
Get the bar.
Finish socket.
Still one straight.
I need to push it. Back's over there. We go.
Right over the end. Should be in.
Ah,
It's not setting.
here, let me get the bottom one loose.
Get a box end wrench, and you can pull it up. We'll go one better that way.
No, you can't get a box in wrench on it.
Can't too far. Reset.
No, I'm thinking that.
Huh?
That's the wrong size.
I was just saying, it seems like it's slipping on it. And these are still factory hubs on this truck. Still got the Look at that shit, Ed. Still see everything just plain as day on it. It's all factory still. Now wait a minute, let me get this back in here. Got it?
No, that was the right size.
Metric.
It's metric, yeah. Oh.
Wow. That was gonna be a pain in the ass.
Big mark?
Yeah. Hang on. I think we're gonna put heat on it.
Good turn. That's the game tag on it.
Yeah, I got it.
They're loctated in. This one's done.
Okay, push in some more on this.
That's it.
No more? Is that the only one up there? You get the other one?
There's only 3.
Okay. See there, guys? Big bear couldn't budge it.
Had to
Little
get-
guy had to get in
I
there.
had to get the right socket.
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Ay, ay, ay. Where's the impact?
You probably need the
No,
longer
gonna need a. Wow. Ouch. Just ain't gonna give me enough to fight past it. Nope. Hold on a minute. All right, I got it there.
You want me to hold that in?
No. brake caliper and everything's in the way. Just think of that. I can't. Let's go that way.
I think you got that big gun out.
Bigger the better. I gotta get back on this. There's no room.
Use the little one with a little extension. 3/8 drive, 3/8 extension, and get in there.
We can do that.
And just pull it right off there.
That'll work.
And he
'Cause
wants-
this is not gonna work out.
And he wants to talk shit about,
Yeah.
you know, big guy, you know, breaking lots of
Big guy,
Ask,
little guy.
ask him who bought breakfast before working on his truck.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, thanks, Ed.
Hey, I need a little extension. You got that?
Yeah, it's locked in the cage.
Seriously? It's mighty warm.
Yeah,
Mighty, mighty, mighty warm.
it's only 70.
And I wore long johns because I thought it'd be cold.
And peel off a couple of them layers you got on. Can we push in on that?
Uh-oh.
What?
It's about as far as I can go with it. Now I'm in trouble again. No good. No good. Need a shorter extension. Right against the A-arm. Turn some more. Right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow.
That bolt's gonna be hot.
You grab that bolt. A little warm, a little warm. This one is not moving. Not broken.
It is broke. Just need to make one, that's all. Whole thing warm?
Little bit, little bit, little bit. Can't see what you Gun.
I got the gun.
Got the gun. Got the gun. Got the gun. Got the gun. push in on that anymore.
Nope. It's on mine.
I can't get any further on it. Hubs pieces pushing it back off.
It'll be all right. We'll get it whenever we need that plugged up to under.
Let's try the little one. Maybe it'll slide by it. Nope. Golly jeez. Let me get a little swivel for this. Just maybe. Just maybe. I don't know. Ouch. Huh?
It's a family channel.
Yeah, family channel. Watch what you say. Okay, we need a bar. We gotta try that maximum. Where's your bars?
Pry bars or?
Yeah. I wanna get in there on this.
I pushed.
Okay. It's hazardous to the fingers. I can't wear gloves. I never could. Never.
I get used to it because I got to answer the phone 50 million times a day, and I'm tired of getting grease.
A
on my
rag.
phone. It's just easy to peel a glove off.
Yeah. This, not my thing.
Got a glove before you run.
Well, that's how those on fingerprints coming out.
Uh-oh.
Better get another one.
Huh?
It's like, what the hell's tearing my finger up? Okay, we gotta try to get this top one. It backed off, but I'm back against that boot. I gotta get back on the other side of it. Spin it. Maybe stay straight. I need that fucking swivel on there. Or that nice swivel. Beep. Yeah. Can have some bloopers in this one.
Okay, now all you're seeing is my backside.
Yeah.
For a camera girl to get up here and actually get some
Yeah,
video.
if she would get some video instead of standing over there texting. I gotta get past that again. I was afraid of that. Nope. Okay, it ain't gonna come past the boot, but it's out.
That's fine. Finish
So
getting,
that'll be fine.
finish getting that thing unplugged up there and we're ready to go.
What do you got here?
Oh.
You're supposed to know.
I already done pulled the safety out. Just gotta push it in and pull it out. Knocking my light off.
No, it's not pushing it.
You done did it.
What the hell did you do that for?
I didn't do it.
Okay.
It's out. Disconnected?
Yep, finally.
Pop that thing.
That's why you didn't have me come over here. So come here, I'm gonna show you this. Can you show me? Yeah, break it. It works for me. Alright. And that's all. That could be big.
Tearing my shop up?
Heck yeah. Where'd that clip go?
Which clip?
The clip that I just popped off of there.
Uh-huh.
Somewhere here on the floor.
Probably underneath it.
Yeah, we'll find it. Is it ooh. You spinning or turning it?
Turning it.
Let's turn the whole hub down. What the hell? Let me grab this. Okay.
That's good.
Right there? I think I'm budging there, buddy. Is it even budging it? It's not budging, is it?
Damn Dodges. Huh? What? It's the damn Dodges?
Oh, that's a good truck. If somebody else owned it.
Kind of hit this way to turn the hub in the.
Oh, you know, you made it up. What'd you do? BFH.
Where's it go?
Whew, you got it too hot in this building. Good God.
That's why he works.
You got a regular hammer? I don't want no rubber stuff. I want whale it. No
no biggie.
Yeah, we got a big one. We got a big one. Somewhere. Oh, that's plenty big enough. Roll back.
Just want to put my gland on.
You're putting a what?
Gland.
Get in on that side.
Yeah, I ain't holding that somewhere.
Why ain't you gonna hold it? It's only skin.
Some broken fingers.
Where is your sense of adventure? I don't have any.
If I break it, because I can't, you know,
Be all right.
I can't wave at anybody.
We ain't budging.
You butch a little bit.
I don't think so.
Oh yeah.
I don't think so. Ow, ow.
Oh, skin.
Yep, it's only skin.
This ought to fall apart.
Probably, because that's a bad one. Okay, let's go this way.
I think plan B is to take it out and put it in the press. Take it up here and there.
No.
That'll be that.
Whew. Now.
I think I'll change your batteries.
Oh. We might have some movement there. Got my dust shield.
Whew, almost got you.
Almost don't count.
It's moving.
Tearing up my dust shield.
It's moving.
You think is it moving at all?
Not really. I wasn't so many.
we're making any headway.
And we just split it and press it.
Yeah, I just put them ball joints and everything in it. The A-arms and everything.
Split it here and down here.
And tire rod.
Huh?
The and tire rod. The tire rod ends hooked right here.
That'll come for it easy.
Well, I do that. That's the only other option. If it's not moving. Not moving. It's really hot.
Take your long sleeve on. You got 2 long sleeve shirts on.
Yeah.
You can make your sugar drop. Whoa.
I wasn't even tight.
Not that tight.
Wrong side. Try it on tie rod. Yep. We need that size up on that.
Yep, 22.
20. Oh. Damn, that already. Yeah, it's out there.
That's what we use to take lug nuts off.
Should be there on that cart. Lug nuts right there. Should be on that cart. Or in that tray. 22. That's for the little one.
You have it on the big gun, taking the lug nuts off.
Sitting on the bench.
Sitting on the workbench.
22.
No, it's bigger than 22.
24 probably. Yep. It's about coffee and smoke break.
Yeah.
I was going to do this at home in the driveway.
Yeah. You would have been bitching.
Oh, yeah.
But isn't there a thing called a hub puller?
Yeah. That's what I would have done. I got my 3-finger puller. I would have hooked it here and pushed in. But I would have put the nut back on this to where it held it just a little bit.
You don't want to push against the transmission because you can
Right.
break the...
Well, that's why you put the nut here so you don't. Well, it wouldn't work. Never mind. Has to come looser. You got a fork?
Don't need a fork.
No? What'd you do for the other socket for this? That's the same one as the tire, I remember. Pipe. What are we doing?
Gotta press down on that because it's...
Spin it.
Now we're talking about there.
And there. All right, I need to take the top nut off here. Well, I'm really gonna have to put front end alignment on it now. Who in the hell is all these fucking vehicles
On the maintenance guys.
That many?
all different vehicles too. They couldn't find just all white uniform.
What's going on?
Up.
What do you want to smack?
Where you want to smack?
Right here.
Over here. Oh lordy. And there's that.
Now you still got that bolt underneath, yeah.
Yep.
And same thing on the bottom down here.
Oh.
Smack right here.
All right. Got it.
Yep. Let me just get it right before I worry.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, it popped. My first pop. Alright. Now we're gonna take this one.
Got a hold of that?
No, I ain't got a hold of it. Okay.
Slide it up. What are you doing?
Messing around. So I left it.
Not good. Oh, shit, you got to pull the axle.
Yeah. That's what I said. Until we get the axle, I ain't going shit nowhere. Slide that back.
You get a little shorter right away.
Okay, there we go. It's rusty.
Rusty.
Oh, you gotta put that back in there. I'm gonna put it back in there. Have to remove it. Okay, where's the press?
In the background. Over this way.
Over this way.
I think we gotta go on a cigarette and a coffee break.
Yes.
Hey guys, they'll be
I
back
gotta
in a
cool
few.
down. Whew. Little warm, little warm. But it's all good. Other than my fur on my skin, bastard bites.